It's a little bit like a snowball effect. You train one outstanding young scientist in Trieste, they go back to Nepal, and they can then subsequently train hundreds of scientists and young people back in the country.
Initially, I came to ICGEB because I'm studying DNA tumor viruses and the mechanism that causes cancer. I did my master's from Tribhuvan University, Nepal in Biotechnology. Then I came here for my PhD in tumor virology. In Nepal was a huge earthquake. Obviously, it was not a great time, but getting a news from fellowship from ICGEB was really like a dream come true.
ICGEB is an international organisation. That means it's made up of its member countries, not a single state. We have 66 members that comprise ICGEB. And we have 3 research institutes which are located in Trieste in Italy, which is the headquarters, and also in New Delhi and in Cape Town. Overall, there's around 700 researchers working in the laboratories.
The ICGEB is a hub of fellows from all around the world and also a place with cutting-edge recent technologies.
We perform research related to many aspects of the SDGs: health, agriculture, sustainable energy, and so on and so forth.
The primary objective of my research is to study mechanism of carcinogenesis caused by human papilloma viruses. Today, more than 5% of all cancers are caused by human papilloma viruses. Even though a good vaccine is available, a therapeutic agent is limiting. One of the major standing questions in the field was to understand if the oncogenes that cause the cancer was important for carcinogenesis. I came to the lab tumor virology led by Lawrence Banks in ICGEB, where he was studying mechanisms of carcinogenesis. And using genome editing technologies, we could understand if expression of these oncogenes were indeed important for carcinogenesis. Carcinogenic mechanisms caused by these viruses is important for the therapeutic interventions, which would eventually save many lives.
We're not just doing research for research's sake. We're doing research which is relevant for our member countries. It's important to remember that the bulk of our membership come from the global south, or countries which would be considered as least developed or economies in transition. The fellowship opportunity and the training opportunities that they have in ICGEB are what I will call state of the art. It's world class. In Trieste, New Delhi, Cape Town, the fellows will come find an incredible international environment. There's people from all over the world, we are extraterritorial, and the facilities are really state of the art.
It was a perfect place with fellows from all around the world who are very friendly. The culture and place is really, really different from my country. The only thing I miss is good food back home with a lot of spices, but Italian food is also amazing.
For the fellowship program, the major aim of ICGEB is to provide training opportunities to young scientists coming from many diverse parts of the world. The aim being for them to be able to take those technologies back to their home countries and use that to further development of education and development within that country itself. What we want are young people who are incredibly motivated, have a passion for science, but also have a very strong desire to use science for the benefit of mankind. Sustainable Development Goals 4 and 5 are the cornerstone of ICGEB's fellowship program. We provide outstanding educational opportunities with obviously a major focus on ensuring gender equality, and we have developed a whole variety of state-of-the-art programs for providing access to quality education for women in many low-resource environments around the world.
I would really recommend fellows all around the world to apply to ICGEB fellowship and to learn.
In this time of pandemic, global insecurity, organisations like ICGEB are absolutely fundamental for bringing nations together and using science to promote cooperation and sustainable development.